Hi there, students. Pone. To pone. Okay, this is gaming slang, internet gaming slang. Yeah, it's used in online gaming to pone, to defeat an opponent, but conclusively, humiliatingly. Yeah, to thrash them totally. To dominate and defeat somebody. Yeah, and this comes from online games. Now, I find the etymology of this one really good. This one probably comes from a typographical error where you hit the wrong key. Notice the O and the P are next to each other. Yeah, and I think people started writing PWN as opposed to OWN. It's very easy for your finger to slip a little bit over to the right to the P. Yeah. Let's see. I would pronounce this pone, and I think the probably most common pronunciation of this is pone, although various other ones exist. The problem with the pronunciation of this one is this was originally born in a world without sound. Yeah, without knowing how to pronounce it. Yeah, this is from the chat box. So to pone, poning. Yeah, triumph, victory. Yeah, very often you will see pwned after somebody has thrashed someone else. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this means I really thrashed them. We pwned the other team. Let's see. This is a phrase, pwned, that you put in the chat box after you beat the hell out of your opponent. I guess this word pone is also used, starting to be used in real life as well. Yeah. Let's see. It comes from the word to own. Yeah, if you own someone, to gain ownership of it. Yeah, then to gain yeah, anything that they do, you own what they do. I think also this phrase was also used to talk about the successful hacking of a website or a computer system. Yeah. And as I said, it most likely came from just a typographical error. Yeah. So if you beat somebody at something really easily, very extensively, it's not just beat somebody by a little bit. It's to thrash them totally. Yeah. So complete domination of another player in a game. Yeah. To defeat conclusively and humiliatingly, or to take control of something, particularly in internet. You were just pwned. So yeah, you could pwn people's accounts as well. Yeah, it's to have power and mastery over someone. Yeah, I think. So the kids were playing video games with their friends. I totally pwned you, man. Yeah, I've got the power to pwn you in this game. Okay, and this word is now, I think it's coming out into real language from the internet. Okay, so pone, formality. Woof. 3, informality, very informal. Use it in an informal conversation. Semi-formal conversation, I suppose. I think you could probably use it in a semi-formal writing if you put inverted commas around it. Um, yeah, the unions pwned the company during the industrial action. I think that would work. I get the feeling this word is here to stay and it's going to become more popular. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pone.